Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Manulife bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search Manulife Login. Then search Manulife Login. Then click to the first result that shows up or go to www.manulifebank.ca. It will then take you to the official website of Manulife. There, click on Online Banking. There, click on Online Banking. Once the page has been loaded up, click to I already have Manulife ID, sign in. There, enter your username. Then enter your password. To confirm your password, you can view your password by clicking to Show. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to sign in. Then you should be able to access your Manulife account. Manulife bank account. To make login easier for next time, you can click to Remember Username. But I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer. If you have forgot your username, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Your Username. And if you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Your Password. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.